Assalamualaikum. My name is Martha Sayed, roll number 23, and today my topic is ArcScan. And I'm going to brief a little bit about it and its types, and then I'm going to start start the exercise related to this topic. So I'm going to share my screen. So ArcScan basically we need to understand the process of vectorization, what vectorization is and what its types. So vectorization is a process of creating features in ArcGIS. So the process of distilling the point, lines, and polygons from the scanned map is called vectorization. Basically, with the help of vectorization, we convert raster data into the vector data. And there are two types of vectorization. One is interactive vectorization, and other is automatic vectorization. In interactive vectorization, we manually create features like line, points, and polygons. And in automatic vectorization, ArcGIS uses ArcScan to create to create vector data from the raster data. Interactive vectorization involves the manual creation of features assisted by the ability to snap the raster cells and utilization of raster tracing and shape of recognition tools. And the other is automatic vectorization. ArcScan for ArcGIS automatically convert raster data to the vector data. It is known as automatic vectorization. First, I'm going to discuss interactive vectorization. So let me open ArcMap. I'm going to open this Arc Scan Trace in MXT. So here is this data. I am going to customize options and extensions. And then I'm going to check this Arc Scan option over here. And the second step in this uh, interactive vectorization is to going to this toolbar and checking this arc scan option, which is mentioned here. Now I'm going to click on this parcel scan dot image, right click on this image, and then I'm going to this properties. And then we need to do go in the symbology and check this unique values option. And then okay. The next step in this interactive vectorization is editors tab and option. And then I'm going to check this use classic snapping. Check this box and then okay. The next step in this is start editing. And then this snapping options. Snapping window. And in interactive vectorization, we need to check these center line and intersection option mentioned here. Then I'm again dragging down this editor tab, and then the snapping option, and this and then I need to check this show snap text box. Okay. Then arc scan option basically is designed in such a way that it should be work with this editing environment in ArcGIS. So I enabled this start editing option over here. And then I am going to create features by bookmarks and then trace line. Then I'm going to this create feature option, selecting this parcel line because I am going to create lines. And then I guess I am missing something. Okay, I missed one step over here. Start editing. To start editing again, and then this option. We need to set this width by 7. Okay. Now I'm going this bookmarks, baseline, parcel line, and then I am going to use this option, vectorization tray. By enabling bookmarks and this baseline, the area of our interest जो है वो zoom हो जाएगा. उसके बाद जो है हम ये vectorization की option लेके I am going to start creating lines. So I have created a feature over here using the parcel using this line command, trace line command of ArcGIS. Now I am going to create a polygon. I am going to click this bookmark option and then trace polygons. So polygons on this MXD is highlighted, मतलब ये zoom हो गया है. And then I am going to click on this parcel polygons and the create features and starting to create a polygon. And I have created a polygon over here by trace polygon option and created this feature by trace line option. So this is called interactive vectorization. It involves several steps which I have performed in this recording. So here is the first step of first exercise of ArcScan, and the other exercise is in automatic vectorization. Then I am going to stop sharing my screen.